So we're also delivering another one-day course called Making the Case for Service Design. Now, this course is a lot more specific than designing good services and scaling good services. And it's a one-day masterclass that intensively focuses on helping to give you the skills and language to be able to talk about financial business cases in the context of service transformation. So it's designed for people who are having to justify service transformation in some way, justify agile ways of working or user-centered design, and need to be able to talk about the cost of their service, need to be able to talk about the risk profile of that service, and to be able to talk about why user-centered design is important in the language of your organization, which is very often in the language of money and risk. So we talk about business cases, we talk about risk profiles, we understand the cost of your existing service, and we'll also look at the cost of change for your service. So by the end of that course, you'll end up with a really good sense of how do we actually craft a business case for change to happen. So if that sounds like the course for you, and you are, kind of in that situation, then obviously kind of making the case for service design is the right course for you.